already in the Lord has spoken the truth. Listen very well. Listen and watch for.
I'm going to be apologizing for making a mistake, for saying that if you don't pay tithe, you might not make it to heaven. I'm sorry, that's wrong. That's not in the Bible. What the Bible says is, he had peace with all men and holiness, without which no man shall see God.
I'm not the one that's saying it. I keep on telling people that tithe cannot stop you from making heaven. Tithe cannot stop you from making heaven. Equal like this, and I've been talking this before. So the man was right after all. Abedamina was right. So when you quote all this, why? That tithe cannot stop you from making heaven.